Hello, it's our second day cycling around Turkey. We are Selim from Tunisia and Alyssa from the United States. After one day of cycling for 87 kilometers from Izmir to Selçuk, we'll tour this famous town, well known for its Greek monuments. Later, we'll be riding to the coastal city called Kuşadası, which is 20 kilometers or 12 miles from Selçuk. We'll search for a camping site there and find a place where we can spend the night. But before starting our trip to Kuşadası, we'll go for a walking tour around Selçuk to try the vegetarian sandwich köfte dürüm. In Selçuk, like many other towns in Turkey, there is a street where you can find different styles of restaurants and cafes right next to each other. It's time to try köfte dürüm, and it's Selim's first time trying a sandwich with chips on it. Köfte is a paste. For the sandwich, you add lettuce, 2 different sauces, and lemon juice, and all for just 60 cents. From Selçuk, we packed our thing and started riding to discover the next place. It was a small town called Kuşadası. Not that far away, only 20 kilometers, but the last 10 were quite difficult for us. There was a steep uphill, one of the many Turkish uphills that we would need to get used to. After some struggle, it was time for the downhill. We found ourselves in the heart of the town. The first thing that we did was park our bikes and jump into the sea. So refreshing. After swimming, we cycled to the city center. We had seen a camping site on the app iOverlander, and so we asked about the price. It was $10 US per night, which we found a bit overpriced for just camping. We started looking for other options and asked some locals if they knew of any spots. A Ukrainian man on a motorbike stopped and asked if he could help us with anything. Also a cyclist, he suggested a place for us to stay, as he's used to helping cyclists in the area. Ended up being a small peninsula near the city center. After Selim and him exchanged contact information, they discovered that they had a mutual Tunisian friend. The two had met when the friend had visited Turkey. Small world. We cycled around the town, and I tried a new kind of street food called Kokoreç. Bought some groceries from the market and headed to the recommended camping site at sunset. There were lots of other people camping there too, most of them locals. We slept well on the beach before starting a new adventure the next day. So this was our cycling experience from Selçuk to Kuşadası. I really recommend visiting both places if you're planning to come to Turkey. If you liked our trip, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll be waiting for your comments. And if you need any information, we would love to help you out.